Welcome to Goalie's Pip Academy. Whoa! Did you hear that? A loud rumble shakes the ground. The wind starts howling like a giant roaring beast. And water comes rushing in faster than you can run. You open your eyes, and wait a second, it's just your imagination. But these sounds and sights are real when it comes to natural disasters. Today we're asking a big question. What is the scariest natural disaster? We're about to explore the science behind these forces of nature and share some super cool facts that will blow your mind without blowing you away. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the basics. Natural disasters are big, powerful events caused by nature that can be really dangerous to people, animals, and buildings. But they're also fascinating. Some of the most common natural disasters include hurricanes, earthquakes, tornadoes, tsunamis, floods, and volcanoes. Each one is different, but all of them are powerful and scary in their own ways. So, how do they work? First up, earthquakes. Did you know that the ground we stand on is always moving just a little bit? The Earth's crust is made of giant pieces called tectonic plates, and when these plates bump, slide, or crash into each other, boom, the ground shakes. Buildings wobble, roads crack, and sometimes the ground splits open. Crazy, right? Now let's talk about something twisty and windy: tornadoes. Tornadoes form during big thunderstorms when hot air from the ground meets cold air from the sky, and they start spinning. It's like nature's huge blender. Tornado winds can spin as fast as 300 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. Tornadoes are short but super dangerous. They can pick up cars, rip apart houses, and even carry cows through the air. Okay, time for our first quiz. Are you ready? Let's see how much you've learned so far. What causes earthquakes? A. Wind. B. Tectonic plates bumping into each other. C. Lightning. D. Tornadoes. Think about it.
Is your little one working on finding their words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early learners. Our goal? To help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. Interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content, like this one, to support learning. Our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and Goalie is here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their children's communication skills. Visit getgoalie.com today and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.
If you said B, tectonic plates bumping into each other, then well done. Now let's keep going because we've got some more natural disasters to explore. Next up, tsunamis. Tsunamis are giant waves caused by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions underwater. When a tsunami reaches the shore, it crashes in like a wall of water, sometimes over 100 feet tall. Whoa. Imagine standing in front of a wave taller than a building. Now let's talk about volcanoes. Volcanoes are like nature's fireworks. Deep inside the earth, there's hot, melted rock called magma. When pressure builds up, that magma explodes out of the ground, turning into lava, ash, and steam. Okay, it's time for another quiz. Let's test your volcano knowledge. True or false? Volcanoes erupt when hot magma inside the earth builds up too much pressure. Do you know the answer? Here we go. If you said true, then well done. That's exactly right. Volcanoes erupt when the pressure from magma builds up and bursts through the Earth's surface. Now let's wrap things up with some cool facts about natural disasters that will blow your mind. Did you know that hurricanes are so huge They can be as big as entire countries. Hurricanes form over warm ocean water and spin in a giant circle with wind speeds that can reach over 150 miles per hour. Hurricanes are so powerful, they can create floods, knock down trees, and even move boats. And here's a fun but surprising fact. Tornadoes can pick up strange things, like fish and frogs. Sometimes, during a tornado, animals can get carried up into the sky and fall back down like it's raining fish. Natural disasters can be super scary, but they also show us how powerful and amazing our planet is. And guess what? Scientists are always working on new ways to predict natural disasters so we can stay safe. If you want to learn more about natural disasters and other amazing topics, don't stop exploring. There's so much to discover about our world. Subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more, and be sure to check out our other playlists. Let's keep the adventure going.
Is your little one working on finding their first words? You're not alone in this journey. At Goalie, we've developed a speech and language system to support early language learners. Our goal is to help kids learn their first 50 words. Here's what makes Goalie special. First is we have interactive apps designed by expert speech therapists. We make ad-free content like this to support learning. And lastly, our app for parents lets you track your child's progress. Every child develops at their own pace, and at Goalie, we're here to provide that extra boost. Our system has already helped thousands of families across America support their kids' communication needs. Visit getgoalie.com and use code YouTube10 for 10% off your first purchase. Again, that's getgoalie.com to give your learner a boost in speech.